This morning, the Attorney General's lawyer Dane Mell asked a single Supreme Court Judge, Thomas Annis, to use his powers and set aside the orders by Justice Derek Hartshorn made on July 19. He said in the interest of justice, these should be considered, and lawyer for the Speaker, Robin Coward, has agreed with his request. The essential point raised was that parties would be prejudiced if all matters, including the substantive hearing, are heard by the Supreme Court bans on August 1st. The Attorney General has a pending application as well to dismiss the reference, and the lawyers want that to be dealt with prior to the hearing on the substantive matter. Further, lawyers have emphasized there must be observance of fairness and hearing of the motion prior to the substantive hearing, which will help assist all parties during the substantive hearing. Opposition's lawyer George Gould has opposed the motion to stay the orders by Justice Hartshorn, saying the motion must be properly pleaded before the court and that previous orders must remain, with all hearing be heard on August 1st. Justice Annis has considered the arguments, saying he understands it's a very difficult situation. He ruled that a full bench should hear the motion by the Attorney General at 9 a.m. on Monday, 29 July, and all parties to file and serve return submissions before or by close of business on the 25th of July. That's tomorrow. This bench should rule whether the date set by Justice Hartshorn should remain in force or be vacated. The opposition were initially satisfied with the orders by Justice Hartshorn, which ultimately meant they could get a decision on the substantive hearing before Parliament sits again in September, describing the court's approach as an expedited one. Elias Nanau, NBC National News, Port Moresby.